Okay children, let us execute this reader method also and see here what is the file we have created, c.csv, right? We have to open c.csv only using the read mode, right? So when you open the file in the read mode, okay, so then we can read the contents from the beginning. Now the file object created for this, when we opened c.csv in read mode, I am giving the same name of the file object. Now read the file object using CSV's reader method. So CSV dot reader and then parameter is the file object. Then this will generate, this will return an iterable reader object. So let me give a name rows. Okay, so this is because it will give a iterable object. No, it will give an iterable object, right? So let me traverse through the iterable object to get row by row output. Take a for loop for I in rows, print I. So and at the end, whatever the file we have opened, see here we have opened, that file has to be closed. Now you can see, na children, see here in this case this is the output from a.csv. See here you can yeah, so now here it is from the c.csv, whatever. See, now let us open and see. So open file. Okay, so now you can see in the Kiran KK folder c.csv, go to all files and you see the content. Yes, this is same as exactly what we got as an output, but output is in the form of a list. Every row is in the form of a list. Okay. Okay children, now I think you are comfortable with the CSV, reading CSV having comma delimiter, right? So we have done this through reader function of CSV module, right? Let us proceed to, yeah, if you have initial spaces, if CSV file is having initial spaces, then you can use the parameter in the reader function. So after the file object you can give skip initial space equal to true, which will skip the initial spaces and then it will read the row. Okay, so let me execute and show you this one also. Yeah, here, so comma, skip initial spaces equal to true, right? So let us execute and see. But this skip initial spaces and all will work only for Python 3.8 version and above, right? This dialect and skip initial spaces. Okay, let me show you in this idle also. Python 3.7 I am using. Okay, let me show you. Skip initial space equal to true is, okay, so see, it's not working in Python 3.7. So it will work in Python 3.8, but okay, so you need not worry about this one. Okay, but you can continue to next whatever as per the CBSE curriculum, whatever the syllabus is there, focus on that only. Yes, let us proceed to our we have seen writing and reading as per the syllabus through writer object, write row function, reader object, reader function, right? So CSV's reader function also we have seen. Now let us recap what is a CSV file, comma separated value. What are the advantages of CSV file? Easy to parse, simple, right? Occupies less memory. And name the module to be import to Python programs for handling CSV files. Which module to be imported? Import CSV. Which method of CSV module is used to read contents from a CSV file? Reader method. method of CSV module is used to write content from into a CSV file? Writer method we are using, right? First writer method we are using to create a writer object, and then write row we are using to write content row by row into the file. Now the programs you have to practice is to read contents from the CSV file using reader method, and write a program to write contents to a CSV file using writer and write row. Clear? See, thanks for all the persons, those who have provided these resources, w3schools.com, python.mykvs.in, Python notes, Curious Efficiency, Wikipedia, Program is Real Python, right? These are all the websites I refer to. Go through the content and prepare this content. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Not only for watching, children, if you practice a lot, if you execute and see on your own, then it will be good for you, and you may score good in your examinations also. Wish you all good success and in your board examinations.